RV renovation, dinette transformation. Let's get this party started.
It just sat on there. Unbelievable.
It's light as a feather too.
Is it open?
Yep.
Awesome.
Yep. Get the other side. Let's get it outside. It's gross. Not as sure as I used to be. How are we? I think we got everything off there.
Great. Just taking the valence and the blinds off, it just really opens it up. It's so nice. Look at that. All right. So now we are on to this. All right, Brad.
Yep. We gotta disconnect the wiring here.
Okay.
Pull this cabinet off.
Okay.
And not sure what to do if we want to save this. We may just move this on the wall somewhere else. My drill won't reach into there very well. I probably have a tool somewhere. Oh wow, look at that. The whole thing's coming off.
Nice.
We'll cut the power in a minute. How does that look like?
Hello, 2009. That's what it looks like.
Yeah. We got all these wires in here. Look at all this.
Decade old.
Use a light from my drill here. Yeah, we'll have to sort through this, what to do.
Yeah, just pull it out. I can't imagine that we're even going to want it.
We can get these off, probably. You gotta pull this one that way. Yeah, there you go. Okay, hold on. Okay, go ahead. Whoa.
Ooh.
Okay.
Yeah,
What do we got
teamwork.
here.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Let me try this. Yeah,
Nice.
cool. Yeah, this one's dirty.
Yeah, let's just take these cushions out. I mean, not like out,
Over
but
here
just
for
over
now.
there.
Let's get 'em
Yeah, here's the other ones. Here's 1 and 2.
Okay.
Yeah. I kind of want to redo this whole bank area
Yeah.
here anyhow.
Yeah, it might be a good time.
Oh, 4 screws holding it on. All right.
6.
But who's keeping score?
He's keeping score, right?
Woo.
There should probably be 2 wires. Yeah. All right.
All
Wow.
What happened?
Nothing.
Ew.
Dust. I'm just grossed out. Okay.
Oh,
So I believe this stuff should just pop out. I'm having trouble seeing anything anymore. The light's coming in.
Oh, here. Let me get my phone. I
Is
can
there
light
a
it up.
tab
for you.
on there? I think there's a tab there of some
Let
kind.
me get
Yeah.
my flashlight too.
Oh, the tab's still in. Oh, it just pulls off, I think. Yeah, so
There
the
we
piece is
go.
still in. It should just pull off, I believe.
Do you have one in your toolbox?
There we go. I think we got
a
it.
third line.
Okay. Here, I'm just gonna break it, Oma. I don't want. I'm going to go this way, babe.
All right. There you go. Oh, staples.
Can you get that in there?
Woo! Sorry.
Oh! All right, there we go.
All right. So then just take these screws out.
Yep.
That's all that's keeping it to the wall, right?
Yep, there's screws all the way around the cabinet, and then there's actually, I think, a couple that might go into the ceiling. It's crazy full of screws.
Should be pretty easy. Let's roll.
Yeah, there's like a dozen screws in here.
That's what I heard.
Yeah, there's like a dozen screws in here. A good dozen screws holding this up.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
We'll get this one.
A funny looking screw head, isn't it?
Yeah. Let's see if I can... Oh, it's at an angle. I'm not sure. I think it's stripped. Yeah, half the stuff's stripped when they put it in.
Nice.
Just so these wires will come off a little easier, I think we're just gonna break this. Well, we're gonna try to break it. I forget this one? Oh, that's a long one. All right, maybe this one. It's starting to lean a little bit, so. Here it is.
What can I do to help?
Okay, it's gonna start to come down. You just video, babe. I can kind of hold it up.
Okay.
Get a good excuse to get a new table. If I had to do this all over again, Oma, I would have kept these on. This would have been a ledge to kind of hold everything together.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, the ceiling's gonna come off. Is this loose here?
Yeah. Yeah. It's the center bay. Yeah, pop this out.
We wanted to kind of save this in case we ever wanted to put it back in, but I think we would buy something at IKEA. Let's just smash it.
Okay. Tried.
Ready, Oma?
I am. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, well.
Oh, shoot, there's a screw.
I was going to say, I'm sure
Okay.
that there's a ceiling, or screw in the
screws.
ceiling. Yep.
Like one by one in between the two pieces. You can't see that. It's between
Yep.
that Luan type wood. So we got to break this off, babe.
Well, do you want to unscrew this one first?
It's already.
Is it totally off?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
just hanging there. It's not
All
mattering.
right.
But I want to. Maybe I'll break this one lower.
Yeah.
It's gonna want to come down though. There it is. Okay, babe.
Let me back off here.
Maybe go back. You can get the whole thing here. Can you see it?
Yep.
Oh,
Don't tell me.
this screw is holding it in, but it's stripped,
Nice.
so it has to be pulled out.
There we go.
All right.
All right. Nice.
Let's get those screws out. I don't want Shelly's lawnmower. Ready?
Yep. Yay. Good job, Opa.
Thank you.
Oh my word.
Whoop.
This.
Not that fat.
No. Wow, I just cannot believe how open this looks. I love it. Absolutely love it. We didn't hardly even use those cabinets. I'm really glad. Really, really glad we took those out. This just looks so This looks fantastic. It really does.
Let's make it official, Oma.
Sure.
Here.
Boop. Boop. So you're going to need to fix that part of the ceiling right there.
Wow, that really is open.
I know. So then we need to decide, before you put the wood up, we need to decide if you're going to be putting anything like this back or even that light. You know, whether, like you were saying, a sconce or something like.
Yeah, if we can move the light maybe to one of the sides or both of the sides and low, just to like a sconce, just to come down here when you're working or eating. And then the radio, we don't need a CD player, but we still have speakers and power. We might see if we can buy something different to put here, something smaller and more modern, maybe here that's white, just to turn the radio on.
So much nicer.
Wow, put something different here too. I'm not sure what to do.
Yeah, that light needs
This
to.
whole thing is hot. That's I think that's an incandescent in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a little warm.
See what it looks like over here, like this. Yeah. Want to take this off, this back off, and then I want to take this off. Really open it up too. And then when the kids come in, they can sit on this without having this. They can come right in the door, sit on it, take their shoes off, or, you know, whatever. Somebody can sit there more comfortably. A couple of people can sit there. Actually, if we're sitting on the couch, a couple of people can sit even more comfortably on this bench. I really want to do that, Brad.
Good job, Oma.
There.
Nice. A little different vibe.
Yeah. All right, so, whew, I didn't realize that would pop off. That's why you were saying that. So, if we cut this, this even with, I don't know,
Well,
it's got to be lower.
Cut this somewhere down in this area here so we keep the seat.
Yeah, yep, because we want to keep the seat. And I think you can just cut that, just like that.
Yeah, we'll get the Sawzall. That's actually the furnace, so nothing can be in here. This has to be, there's a vent here. Just kind of give you the vibe. Yeah, Oma, good idea. Let's get that wall off. I like that idea. Ready, babe?
Mm-hmm. That's like fast. Oh, 2x2 came undone a little.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. See, I wanted it cut because we can still use this bottom piece because we're gonna go camping with the kids next weekend. So I wanted this whole area here still protected. So that's why I was thinking about cutting it.
Let's get out our Dremel.
Oh, that's a good idea. Oh, I love it. Brad, this looks fantastic. I'm so happy. It really opens the whole place up.
Does it ever?
So then when people come in, they can sit down here, take the shoes off, or visit with us, or you know what I mean? Whatever. Because you have two sides to it, I think it's a little bit more accessible. Personally, I don't know. We'll find out.
Do you think anybody will trip on it?
No. Maybe, but I doubt it.
Sorry. No, that's an afterthought.
Wait, what 6?
A trip. Maybe it should be higher.
I mean, maybe. I'd be open to it.
Yeah.
I don't think it needs to, but I'd be open to it.
Where was it? Oh, it was over like this.
Mm-hmm.
Please give us a like and share a video. That way it helps others to find us. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.